When you choose a MasterCraft, you're choosing the very best. That's why the 2025 MasterCraft fleet comes stacked with features designed to make your on-water experience better. Take, for example, the NXT Icon Package, a bold trim package available on the NXT 22, 23, and 24. This package takes your unique NXT design a step further and includes exclusive black SeaDek flooring, an all-black Z6 tower, and black MasterCraft badging. To amplify the on-water vibes even more, the NXT Icon Package comes with exclusive underwater lighting, cockpit speaker lights, and tower lights. And they're all RGB to match your personal style. The NXT 24 Icon can even be optioned with a matching triple-axle trailer, so your boat looks just as good on the way to the lake as it does running across it.